Hello everyone. If you are facing slow internet problem in your computer, you can solve. I will show you how can you do that. So, first you have to press on window key and then search here task manager and then open it. And from here close all the unwanted apps which are running in background. Let us see Chrome. So here you can see Chrome is running. So click this and then click on end task. So this is how you can end tasks which are running in background. So this will make your computer a little faster also for the internet and the smoothness. So if still it doesn't work, press on window key and then search here settings and then go to network and internet. Go to this advanced network settings. So here you can see network reset. Click on it and then from here you can reset all the network setting. So this will not kill your any data or delete your any data. This will only reset your network settings. So after resetting your network setting, it will be as new, or can say it will be as default. So after doing this, your internet connection will be faster as it is before. So I hope this video will help you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.